Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Products of Thought. And me, coming from a filmmaking background, I work on series, I work in advertisements and everything. When I got to know that there is actually a board game where you are part of a crew, or rather, you are trying to make a film happen, or a scene happen, or something like that happen, I got really intrigued. And the person sitting right next to me, Shavista, is the one who has come up with this game. Hi.
Hi.
Uh, so tell me, are you from a filmmaking background? How did you? What was the inception behind this game?
So I'm not from a filmmaking background, but I'm from a design background. So I have a little exposure to watching films in my college because like I used to have a film club there, and I used to really enjoy skipping class and going to watch films there. So yeah, like I've been really interested in watching films since childhood because my parents encouraged us to watch films rather than watching cartoons. So uh like after college I started also getting interested in making films. So since I like film and filmmaking, but I also like board games a lot, so I tried to mix them, and then I made this board game called Film Factory.
So how do you actually play Film Factory, and how do you actually win Film Factory?
So in Film Factory it is basically just a 4-day game. So there are 4 days, which means there are 4 rounds. So in 4 days you have to shoot 4 scenes. It's just a brief experience of what it would be like for you to be on a film set and what kind of chaos you see happening around while shooting the scenes that you need to do because that's the main work. So in the 4 days there are each day is divided into two, which is a card phase and a scene phase. In the card phase you play, each player will have a deck of cards and they will play from it, and the cards will have different various positive negative scenarios or situations which will throw you off or maybe make you happy if something good happens. And then there is a scene phase where there will be scene cards which you will look at. It will be a visual of what a scene looks like, and you have to guess how can you make this scene with the people you have. So that's how every day goes by when you are making a film. So and in that, for a little laughs, there's uh, some situations which will appear on the card, which is one is like a time delay situation in which the situation that is written on the card will delay your work, and it will take you time, and you will be rolling the dice one by one after the other and seeing if everyone got it right, or else you have to do it again. And then the second is the conversation cards, which will have a bunch of pictures of memes which will help you laugh around the table. And the third is rewards, in which you get or lose rewards, and this is a cooperative game, so everything you gain or lose is collective.
Okay, so while coming up with this game and thinking of you know how things can be delayed and how things work in the film, did you consult any like filmmaker or people who work in films on if what I'm doing is a stereotype or what actually happens on a film set. What was the I would say the research process of this process like?
So for this, I had the chance to observe a indie filmmaking set. So I had some contacts. I made some friends there, and I used to go there for a couple of days to watch, just sit in a corner and see what they're doing around. And this was in Kochi. So and over there they were all speaking in Malayalam. I don't understand Malayalam, so it was already chaos for me, but even in the chaos I could see how they were running around and organizing things and all. So you can get a gist of just by observing how people are acting or working on a film set. So that was my first experience of how I got the idea that I could use the chaos to have fun.
How has the playtesting phase been like for this with regards to like people who are trying it and playing it? Do film have any like people who have worked in films or filmmakers have they played this game?
Yeah, so I had several people who I got to know by some content and got to know coincidentally that they're like, oh, I love this game. I'm also a filmmaker, just like you.
Yeah.
So yeah, I had a few of those kinds of experience where people who are from a filmmaking background had a chance to see this and they really appreciated the concept and all.
And any challenges you faced while making this game?
Yeah, since like I've chosen the base of this game is kind of like being everything is like anything can happen. So it was difficult for me in the beginning to balance it and how can players have fun and not get annoyed by things bad things happening to them. So in the beginning, actually, no one was winning the game. Yeah, every playtest I had, no one was winning. So slowly, I worked on it, and then I'm yet to work on it more. Like I've spent 4 months on this game.
So, if they want to go and play test it, is there any place that, if they want to play test it, how do they reach out to you, or how do they try this game out?
So I'm not started anything as such that people reach out to me to play this. I just go out and we go to malls like and food courts and all. We just randomly walk up to people and like, I do you have 5 minutes. Do you want to play a game? And that way, like all of us have done our playtests, and that's how we tested our games everywhere. And like we did it in Kochi and in Ahmedabad also.
Any plans for Mumbai, Mumbai, Hyderabad?
Working in Kochi, and then we had to go back to Ahmedabad for our grad. This is like my degree project. So for the jury, I had to go back to Ahmedabad. So there, when I had some time, we could meet people and get it played.
So, if you're lucky in Kochi or Ahmedabad, you might play it. Otherwise, you'll have to wait for like whenever the release date of this film is. I would say that you can play it. Uh, Shavishta, thank you so much. This seems like a really fun time. We talked earlier about how do you play this game? You play by rounds. You uh, make this thing. Also, is there any future plans of putting it out in retail, putting it out for mass production?
Yeah, we're planning to launch it.
Also, with regards to one particular mechanic of the scene mechanic, I wanted to ask. For example, you have a particular scene, but you don't have maybe the sound guy for that. Uh, can the players come up with an idea? Oh, we can shoot scene this way without using the sound right now, and we can either dub it or have it just be a silent sequence, because in films sometimes they are just like silent sequences where there are just music or just some ambient sound going on and you don't actually hear what is going on. So is there potential for that kind of a thing, like they can improvise the scene to make it this stuff?
Yeah, that's a good idea. I will see that if that can be possible because the first time I'm hearing it can happen like it's not that I didn't know that there can be silent scenes, but just like yeah, players can think that maybe we'll modify the scene or something. Yeah.
See, I'm good. Hey, board game designers, hire me. Uh, Shavishta, again, thank you so much for talking to me. All the best for your game. And yeah, whenever you get a chance, whenever this comes out, please do try it. And until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye.